What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add extension of Gemini in Google Chrome. So let's get started. So firstly, what you're going to do is just go to a new tab. Let's go to your web browser on and then go to this three dot, and over here you'll be having this extension, and then go to visit Chrome Web Store. Then over here you can let's say search for the extension, let's say Gemini, and then you can see this Gemini for Google. Just go over here and then add to Chrome and continue to install it, add extension, and that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you add extension. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, you can always comment down below. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.